Ano ang top 3 best loans ko at considered ito na good debts? Answer, unang-una friends, ang sagot natin ay very helpful sa kapwa ko mga empleyado. So please listen well and consider applying this loan. Baka po makatulong sa inyo kasi sa akin po very helpful at naging successful ako because of these loans. Alright? So ito na yung answer. My top 3 best loans po are the following. Number 1, SSS Educational Loan. Number 2, Pag-ibig Housing Loan. And number 3, LBP or Land Bank of the Philippines Electronic Salary Loan. So explain po natin bakit ito best loans at good debts sa akin. So number 1, SSS Educational Loan. By the way, SSS member po tayo. Kahit government employee ako ngayon, nagpa-member po tayo ng SSS, self-paying. Kaya naka-avail ako ng educational loan sa kanila. So, ang SSS educational loan, laking tulong po ito sa akin. Bakit? Kasi tatlo pong anak ko ang naging beneficiary or recipient po nito. Yes, friends, tatlo po ang nag-graduate sa college because of this SSS educational loan. Good debt po ito for me. Why? Because ang payment po nito is 4 years after. In fact, 18 months pa after 4 years. Ibig sabihin, graduate na po ang anak ko when I started paying this educational loan. Yes, friends, ang concept kasi nitong SSS educational loan ay study now, pay later. Totoo po ito. After 4 years pa po mag-start ang payment. 4 years and 18 months. Alright? Number 2, Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Because of Pag-ibig Fund, naka-housing loan po ako. So, naka-avail na po ako ng housing loan. Ang maganda dito is, konti lang po ang monthly amortization ko. Yes, friends, good debt po ang Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Kasi ma-maximize mo yung loan term. Kasi based po sa age po ninyo or age ko po. When I started availing of this loan, nasa age 30 pa po ako. So, 70 minus 30, that is 40 years to pay. Pero ang i-avail ko lang is 30 years to pay. As a result, konti lang po yung monthly amount ko. And number 3, LBP Electronic Salary Loan. Yes, friends, naka-avail ako ng salary loan sa Land Bank of the Philippines. 300,000 po. 5 years to pay po yan. And then, ang kagandahan ng Land Bank of the Philippines Electronic Salary Loan, hindi mag-reflect sa payslip. Outright, ginadidak po yan. And to be honest, ang payslip mo yan, ay di makita po doon ang deduction. Kaya malaki po ang net pay. And of course, yung loan process niyan, 300,000 yung na-loan ko before, nakagawa ako ng commercial space, 3 slots. And ngayon, meron na nag-rent. At ngayon, may passive income na po ako. Why? Kasi yung 3 slots na pinagawa ko before, amounting to 300,000, meron ng nag-rent na karinderya, barbershop, and meat shop. Ayan po. Kaya good debt po itong Land Bank Electronic Salary Loan, specifically if gamitin nyo po sa business. Ayan po. Hope na may natutunan kayo sa video natin. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.